Hello, and thanks for stopping by. My name is Sandy, and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Now, today I am going to be sharing as I put my Christmas tree up, my main Christmas tree in my living room. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I have put up 4 Christmas trees. So this is my 4th and final tree. And if you've been watching my channel, you may have seen me put together this beautiful Winter Wonderland tablescape as well as my bar cart, and that is going to be the theme for this 4th and final tree that I'm putting up. I am loving the whites, the silvers, and the gold, and so if you'd like to see how this tree turns out, then just keep watching.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer, but
yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. All of your love. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love.
Thanks so much for stopping by and decorating with me. I enjoyed having you decorate along with me today. I hope that you were inspired for your Christmas decor. I have 4 trees up, so if you haven't seen the other 4, please be sure to check out the playlist and check out the video so that you can get your Christmas tree inspiration for this year. Again, I thank you for watching, and I hope that you will consider hitting that subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed, and the post notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload videos. I upload videos twice a week, and it's always something to do with home decor. So if that is something that you love, then please be sure to stick around. Thanks again for watching, and to all of my family members, you know how I feel about you. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope to see you all over here on my next video. Bye now.